The importance of introducing library to support learning process. A library is fundamentally an organized set of research, which include human service as well as the entire spectrum of media. Library have physical components such as space, equipment, and strong media. Intellectual components such as collection, policy that determine what material will be included, and organizational scheme that determine how the collection is accessed, and people who manage the physical and intellectual component and interact with user to solve information problem. Library serve at least three roles in learning. First, they serve a practical role in sharing expensive research. Basic research, such as books and periodical, film and video, software and electronic database, and specialist tools such as projector, graphic equipment, and camera are shared by a community of users. Human resources librarians, also called media specialists or information specialists, support instructional program by responding to the requests of teacher and students and initiating activity for teacher and student. Responsive service include maintaining reservoir material, answering reference question, providing bibliography instruction, developing media package, recommending book or film, and teaching user how to use material. Proactive service includes selective dissemination of information to faculty and students, initiating them as event, collaborating with instructor to plan instruction, and introducing new instructional method and tool. In this way, libraries serve to allow instruction and students to share expensive material and expertise. Second, libraries serve a cultural role in preserving and organizing artifacts and ideas. Great work of literature, art, and science must be preserved and made accessible to future learners. Also, libraries have traditionally been viewed as facilities for print artifacts. Primary and secondary school libraries often also serve as museum and laboratory. Library preserve objects to careful storage procedure, policy of borrowing and use, and repair and maintenance as needed. In addition, through preservation, library ensure access to material through index, catalog, and other finding aids that allow learners to locate items appropriate to their need. Third, library serve social and intellectual role in bringing together people and ideas. This is distinct from the practical role of sharing research in the library provide a physical place for teacher and learner to meet outside the structure of the classroom, thus allowing people with different perspectives to interact in a knowledge space that is both larger and more general than shared by any single discipline or affinity group. Browsing catalog in a library provides a global view of for people engaged in specialized study and offer opportunity for insight or alternative view. In many respects, libraries serve as center of interdisciplinarity. Place shared by learners from all disciplines. Digital libraries extend such interdisciplinarity by making diverse information research available beyond the physical space shared by group of learners. One of the greatest benefits of digital library is bringing together people with formal, informal, and professional learner mission. Formal learning is systematic and guided by instruction. The important rules that libraries have in our formal learning are illustrated by the physical permanence on school. Most of the information research school are tied directly to the instructional mission. Student or teacher who wish to find information outside the mission have the best had to travel to other library. By making the broad range of information research discussed below available to student and teacher in school, digital library open new learning opportunity for global reading than strictly local community.